off of the Black Girl Mansion. Make some noise for Remy Ma!
The Black Women's Expo, so far from everything I see, it is definitely empowering. It definitely makes you think about the different things that women are so capable of doing, and just being in the atmosphere where other women are following their dreams and they're starting their businesses and they're being entrepreneurs. It just makes you feel like you're on the right path.
It's been so fun. There's so many people here. Everybody's excited. I had an opportunity to talk to a whole room full of women about self-worth and self-love and natural hair, and they were so receptive and inquisitive and positive. I think that's the overall sense that I'm getting, the positivity in the whole atrium, the energy, the excitement. It's exciting to see entrepreneurs and vendors have an opportunity to sell their goods and communicate with the public directly.
Show your love! Black Women's Expo! Johnny So I want to feel your body all over my body. Morning, noon, and night, baby, 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 baby.
I have been coming to this event for many more years than I care to mention, and it never disappoints. Celebrities talking about the things that you care about, new ideas for beauty and for health, and all the things that make our lives better. So it's a wonderful part to be a part of this wonderful event. iHeartMedia is one of the media sponsors, and we love being here, and I know you'll love being here too.
Gigi and Lori out here with me from Lip Service, so for us to travel together, that was fun. And then coming into the expo, and I love the energy of having like all my sisters in the building, everybody's positive, everybody's having a good time, seeing all the entrepreneurs. That always puts me in a higher spirit also. And then just the love that we got while we were here in Chicago. People who came to the panel and were so excited to see us and meet us and say that they listened to the podcast, and that everybody grasped the idea that lip service is not just about us women talking about sex, but it's more than just that. It's educational, it's empowering. And so I feel like that message really got delivered today, and it's a good time.